Yo, Sakafe, today I wanna create something different. They always say, as a producer, it's good to get out of your comfort zone. So today I'm gonna try to create some dark drill melody, and after add some Afro Swing or dancehall drum. And to complete the melody, I'm gonna add some crazy bass pattern. I think it's gonna be fire. So let's have some fun. I am gonna start by creating the melody. Let's go with the Memory V by Arturia as our plugin, and the tempo should be maybe 91, 92. And let's go for a chill preset. Go to the pad. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one right there. Boom. The method is pretty simple. Let's say that we start by creating a minor chord. And then we just transpose this down like that. And now we're gonna try to add some melody on top of it. Let's say that we go to the key of G sharp minor, okay, and we can just follow those right there. That's our main melody. Make this one shorter. The melody is pretty simple. You just create a minor chord, you copy the same minor chord, and then the second note you just transpose it one note down, and then after you try to add a counter melody. That's what I just did. You just listen and use notes that sound good together, and then all together we have this now. That sound pretty good. Let's jump directly to the drum now. I think I am going to try to use a kick that hit hard. I think I have one in mind. Let's go with this one. That's gonna be the kick. Like boom, boom, boom. And now let's try to find some percussion. I'm gonna go with the Afrobeat Essential Bundle Volume 3. I think I'm gonna need to use this one. Okay. Go. And then we copy the same pattern over and over. Let's put it here so we can. Okay, we can copy this right there, and then we do this right here. I think I'm gonna use this too. Okay, let's complete the hi-hat so we can have a pattern that sounds good. Okay, maybe we try to make sure those doesn't sound like as the same velocity. Okay, you see now it sounds better. Maybe you can use the reverse hi-hat in here. Maybe you put this right there. Okay, maybe here. And then the same thing. Woo! Okay. Damn, ta, 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 ta. So you can do something like this. Like boom, boom, ta, ta, ta. Something like that. On this one, I think we can add here. Bum, 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 boom. Nice. And now we can try to create a transition. Let me go to Afrobeat instrument bundle, Afrobeat bonus. We have this clap right there. And then we go to percussion. That's fire. Everything sounds good now. I think I wanna add a flex preset. I think I'm gonna go to the Icon City. Let's use this one right there. And comment C, comment V. Let's see how this one sound. That's fire. I love it. Now I wanna add something from arcade. Normally with this kind of beat, you don't do a lot. You don't do too much. Let's go to the decent voice. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see what we can find. I think I love this. I think yeah, I love this because it's different. Okay, let's go with this one. That's crazy. Okay, I think I want to add some effect on it. I'm gonna go with the J Cactus, the Volt 2 drum kit, and then we go to the drill, and then go to FX, impact. I think I wanna use this. I think we can comment B, comment B, comment B. Okay. That's good. Let's see if we can find another one. No. Maybe transition. Okay, I love this one too. Yeah. I already have an arrangement in my mind. This one is going to be by itself, make unique. And comment B, we have pattern one, and then pattern two. I'm gonna try to create two kind of bass pattern. Let's say that we are going to use one bass for my drum kit, the fire drum kit. Where is it? I love this. Guys, I love this bass. Guys, I love this bass. boom. We have to click on cut itself. And then we copy this right there. There we go. Maybe we go one octave higher. Now I want to add the God particle. Okay, now for the second pattern, I think I am going to use a preset from the Prophet 5V. This one is fire. As I'm telling you, we go to bass and then I think the moving bass. Now we go to the pattern 2 and then we add the bass. We go one octave lower. Okay, on this one, let's just okay, I don't want this to be like that. We can just have him like that. Maybe we have, yeah. That's fire. Okay, let's give it a play. And then now we're gonna switch again. That's fire. That's fire. I love it. Now I think I'm gonna go to Splice and then try to see if I can find maybe one or two vocal chops and then add underneath of everything so I can have some crazy vibe. The first thing is not really a vocal, it's something that sounds like that. Da, 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 da. So I think right there I am going to remove this. No, I wanna go on pattern one, remove this. Okay, and also I think I am going to remove the arcade, and now we're gonna make sure this one fit on time. Okay, go to stretch so we can keep this same key. Nice. And now we go to the next one, this right there. Yeah. I think this one I want to add it here, but I don't like why it's like boom. You see? I want it to start with this fading right there. And then we repeat the same pattern. That's how you have a crazy vibe. And I love the drum pattern. I think I'ma add it to the drum key that I'm gonna drop, the Afro Beatz volume 2. Now I'm gonna go off camera, make sure that everything sound as loud as I want and the mix, and then yeah, play the final vibe for you. So hopefully you like it. Also, let me know in the comment section which genre this is. So that's a good question. Let me know, guys. Yeah, enjoy. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something with this tutorial, and also let me know in the comment section what genre should I go with next. So yeah, if you have questions, leave a comment and I'm gonna see you on the next one.